What if your next phone had a camera that could see farther than your eyes, a battery that refuses to quit, and an AI that reads your mind? In the ultimate 2025 flagship showdown, we're pinning the iPhone 17 Pro, the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, and the Google Pixel 10 Pro against each other to see which powerhouse deserves your wallet. Welcome back to Top 3 Compared. I'm your host, Misha, and if you're deciding between this year's biggest titans, you've come to the right place. We're not just listing specs, we're crowning category winners to help you see which phone truly aligns with your life. Let's dive in. iPhone 17 Pro. If all-day battery life is your non-negotiable, meet the iPhone 17 Pro. Apple promises an incredible up to 37 hours of video playback, making it the longest-lasting iPhone ever. Powering this endurance is the brutal A19 Pro chip, paired with an advanced cooling system to handle intensive tasks without breaking a sweat. Its 6.9-inch Super Retina XDR display is a gorgeous canvas that shines at a peak of 3,000 nits outdoors. The camera system is a versatile 48MP Pro Fusion setup. The star is the tetraprism telephoto lens, offering a 4x optical zoom and an 8x optical quality zoom, giving you incredible reach without sacrificing detail. With features like the customizable action button and the new camera control for precise shots, it's a refined tool built for power users deeply invested in the Apple ecosystem. Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. For the ultimate Android multitasker, the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra is in a league of its own. It's the only phone here with a built-in S Pen, a dream for note-takers and artists. Its stunning 6.9-inch QHD Plus display is not only massive, but also features a new Pro Scaler that can upmix standard definition content to look great on its sharp screen. Under the hood, the custom Snapdragon 8 Elite for Galaxy chip is an absolute beast, with a 40% boost in neural processing power for snappier AI features. The camera system is led by a 200MP main sensor and includes two telephoto lenses, a 10MP 3x and a 50MP 5x, making it the most versatile zoom system in this lineup. New AI tools like an audio eraser to remove unwanted sounds from videos and the Now Brief feature that summarizes your day make this phone incredibly smart. Google Pixel 10 Pro. Now for the AI trailblazer and display champion, the Google Pixel 10 Pro. This phone makes artificial intelligence its core feature and backs it with a screen that blinds the competition. Its 6.3-inch Super Actua display blasts up to an incredible 3,300 nits, the brightest of the trio, making all your content pop like never before. It's powered by Google's new Tensor G5 chip and comes with a whopping 16 GB of RAM, ensuring buttery smooth performance and advanced AI tasks. The triple 50-48MP camera system is backed by legendary software like Magic Eraser, Best Take, and Audio Magic Eraser. With exclusive software like Circle to Search and a stunning 7 years of OS updates, the Pixel is for the user who wants a smart, long-lasting, and brilliantly bright Android experience. After putting them through their paces, here are our category champions. Best display for brightness, Google Pixel 10 Pro. That record-breaking 3,300 nit screen is in a league of its own. Best zoom and most versatile camera system, Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. The dual telephoto lenses, 3x and 5x optical, offer unmatched flexibility. Best for AI software and updates, Google Pixel 10 Pro. With the most RAM and 7 years of OS updates, it's built for the AI-powered future. Best for productivity and stylus use, Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. The built-in S Pen is still a unique and powerful tool. Best all-day battery and ecosystem, iPhone 17 Pro Max. Up to 37 hours of video playback and seamless Apple integration are hard to beat. So, which of these technological marvels is the one for you? Let's break it down simply. Choose the iPhone 17 Pro Max. If you value unmatched battery life, the most polished ecosystem, and an incredibly powerful and versatile zoom camera, it's the reliable, do-it-all workhorse for those already in the Apple world. Choose the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. If you are a power user who needs the most versatile camera system with incredible zoom, wants a built-in S Pen for notes and creativity, and desires powerful on-device AI features integrated across Android and third-party apps. Choose the Google Pixel 10 Pro if you want the brightest display available, crave the most intuitive and helpful AI software baked into your phone, and prefer a more compact flagship without sacrificing top-tier performance and long-term software support. And there you have it, the ultimate breakdown of the 3 biggest smartphones of 2025. If this comparison helped you find your next phone, please give this video a thumbs up and let us know in the comments which one you're choosing. Subscribe to Top 3 Compared and hit that notification bell so you never miss our next gadget breakdown. Thanks for watching.